Interactive online training on piping and instrumentation diagram. Module 6. Symbology equipment. Following topics to be discussed in this module. 1. Equipment. 2 static equipment symbols. 3 rotating equipment symbols. 4 miscellaneous. 5 quiz. Equipment are classified into 2 categories. 1 static, 2 rotating. One static, as the name implies, are stationary equipment such as vessels, heat exchangers, columns, towers, incinerators, flares, air coolers, dryers, and heaters. Two rotating. These equipment include pumps, compressors, turbines, engines, exhaust fans, blowers, generators, and electric motors. Below are the static equipment symbols generally shown on P&Id. Vertical. Horizontal. Filter. PKU. IU. BEN. NEN. Hairpin. Generic exchanger. Plate and shell. Via HX. Vertical NEN. Incinerators and flares. With fuel line and pilot. With fuel line. With fuel line. Forced draft air cooler. Forced draft heater. Following are the rotating equipment, as represented on P&Id. Centrifugal pumps, inline vertical pumps, gear, hand pump, centrifugal blower, reciprocating, horizontal centrifugal, gear plunger, transfer pumps, diaphragm, pump out vessel partially shown. Hydraulic, pneumatic, reciprocating compressor, turbo expander recompressor, centrifugal compressor, other than usual static and rotating equipment. There are some more equipment frequently used in P&Id. Some are described below, whereas others have their generic meaning with their symbols. Pig launcher. Pigging in the context of pipelines refers to the practice of using devices known as pigs to perform various maintenance and cleaning operations on a pipeline. Pig launchers are used to launch the pig into the pipeline. The pigs are then received at the other end by pig receivers once they have made a successful run. Tower with internals. Towers are pressure vessels running multiple process streams for oil and gas refining. They have internals installed which are identified in the symbol. Commonly used towers are a ethanizer, a methanizer, and a propanizer. Diaphragm seal. A diaphragm seal is a flexible membrane that seals and isolates an enclosure. The flexible nature of this seal allows pressure effects to cross the barrier, but not the material being contained. Common uses for diaphragm seals are to protect pressure sensors from the fluid whose pressure is being measured. Thief hatch. A thief hatch is a closable aperture in a tank or vessel. In the oil field, thief hatches are normally used on low pressure and atmospheric tanks. Thief hatches are used to take samples of the tank's contents, determining the level of the tank, and protect the tank from overpressure and excessive vacuum. Air dryer. Pig launcher. Fixed roof atmospheric tank. Filter. Furnace. Holding tank. Tank with dome roof. Open atmospheric tank. Our miscellaneous. Semi-elliptical head. Mist extractor. Mesh pack. Mist extractor. Mesh pack. Mist extractor. Mesh pack packing. Insulation. Chimney crane. Inlet deflectors. Davit closure. Manway. Forged davit closure. Vortex breaker. Drain. Skirt. Quick closure. Quick closure. Quick closure. Hemispherical head. Semi-elliptical head with davit closure. Undersized skirt. Tapered skirt. Filter for compressor. Diaphragm seal. Piping special item. Serial number. Float. Knockout pot. Igniter. Grapevine. chimney inlet, chemical injection, corrosion inhibitor, chemical injection, emulsifier. Drain funnel, brake line, thermal radiation type, temperature element, revision cloud triangle. Thief hatch, UVIR monitor, open sewer drain, dimension lines. Can you recognize the following equipment symbols as below? AEU heat exchanger, centrifugal pump, reciprocating pump, quick closure, drain funnel. And this is the end of Module 6. Equipment identification and valve tagging to be discussed next.